What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to set up shipping on Shopify with Printful. Now first thing you should do is to simply go to Printful, and after that you will have to log in into your account. Then down below right here, when you click on this arrow beside settings, it will open some other settings. Click on the arrow beside the stores, just click on it, then it will show you here this option, shipping, and after that it will jump you directly to this page. Now what you should do is to simply choose whatever store that you want to add your shipping to. So here in my case, I'll choose Shopify, then check this box right here and click on save. And now after clicking save, you will have now to go to your Shopify. And now I'm gonna refresh my page after logging in. Then what you should do right now is to simply go to settings and go to shipping and delivery, and the shipping with Printful will appear just right here, but put into consideration that it will only be applied on Printful products. So if you have other products that are not from Printful, you will have to do another thing in order to set shipping. So what you should do actually is to simply head to this page, then click on your profile, and after that it will jump you directly to this page right here. And what you should do is to simply type the profile name right here. Name the profile as you want, and don't worry, the customers won't see this. So I'm gonna name it Fix, for example. Then I'm gonna click on add products and add whatever product that I want, and after that you can simply click on add shipping zone and add the zone that you want. I'm gonna add some countries here, for example. Then I'm gonna click on done, and after that you will have to click on add rate. Then you will have to add the price, add the shipping rate, the rate type, if you wanted flat rate, or use a specific application to calculate the rates. Then after that you can simply click on done and click on save down below right here. And that's all for today guys. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you guys in a new video.